Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. 8:33, August 16th, 2021. I've been up since like 7:30 analyzing. I finally put in my trade. I'm about to explain why I took that hoe. So let me go ahead and get straight into it. You feel me? I ain't got time to waste because I ain't got time to waste. But look, I'm in profit right now. Number one. That's most important. I'm in profit right now. Got a 57 point stop. My take profit is gonna be 140 points. I did take this trade. Let me pull it up for you real quick right now to actually confirm because I don't want y'all niggas thinking I'm a fraud ass nigga. Um, you guys see the sell right there, that big ass candle right there. Let me confirm this is my live account, KOT live. You feel me? My live account. Let me explain why I took that trade. Number one, this is a counter trend move, right? So I actually moved looking for as a buy, but I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna sell it down to here, right? We have um higher high, higher low, higher low. So this is not technically a higher low. This is just consolidate wicks, right? False breaks and shit. So this is the real higher low. So I feel like price is gonna come down here. Um, shit, you feel me? Number one, we have this demand zone, right? And why I went against this demand zone is because look, shit, these there's too many red fucking candles, right? That's it. There's too many fucking red candles that I'm seeing. Let me go back to a smaller time frame, right? Too many red candles I'm seeing. I see up here price broke and retested the 4 hour time frame. I'm about to take profit real soon. What this means to me is that price, right, broke, retest, and now it's coming down here. So why would I even care about this demand, this 1 hour demand zone, when there's this 4 hour support is now resistance, and it's gonna come test this support and make it a um actual support. You feel me? So let's go down to one. I see too many red fucking candles. Actually, I'm gonna take profit right now just because that's way too close to my TP, right? So I'm leaving 40 bucks on the table. I'm okay with it. Um, yeah, I'm gonna take. So I just took profit. Um, I just took profit. Right, easy little play, easy little play. Right. So now let me calm down. I had too much jitters. Right. I wanted to take profit and get this shit over with, but nigga. While I'm fucking yo mommy. Woo! That should feel so good, man. I've been in a little, not even a trading slump, but shit, I just haven't traded in a minute, and it felt real good to come back and analyze this bitch and make profits. Um, so yeah, man. Let me calm down and explain. Right, my TP was 140 points. I took 108 points. I left 30 some bucks on the table. Right, I'm not tripping at all. But now let me calm down and explain this trade. Right, calm down and explain this trade. Number one, on the 4 hour time frame, have price breaking this 4 hour um fuck. Now it's a resistance, but then a support. It retested right here. All right, so let me delete this. Have a break and a retest. Now on this retest, okay, you're just seeing wicks right now. But let me highlight this shit. Boom. And on the 1 hour time frame, what we have here is actually a break, a retest, a touch, and then downward movement, right? So those wicks you see are actual candles on a 1 hour time frame, right? So we had that break, we had the retest, and with that retest, price created what is this? A lower low, a lower high. Price created a high, then a lower high. All right, so I'm like, okay, I see that lower high on the 1 hour time frame. Why is it lower high? I see this price halts, some sideways movement that you'll see on a smaller time frame, which is like right here on the 45, right here on the 30, right? Some consolidation, and then downward movement. I'm like, okay, I see that. That's even more confirmation for the sell. Now, with these two yellow lines, I drew this yellow line last night. I drew this yellow line this morning. I drew this yellow line right here because this was a very, very strong support, right? Price touching, boom, testing, boom. And I'm like, okay, right. So that this could be considered a range on a smaller time frame because if you go to a 15-minute time frame, you see price boom, 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 in between here, in between here, in between here. And I put this yellow line here because it's the same thing. Price touching, selling, touching, testing, right? We could call this a break, a false break, testing. But if you go to a higher time frame, this is gonna be wicks, right? This is gonna be straight wicks. And that's what it is, right? So go to the 15, bow, testing, boom, boom. I'm like, okay, what I'm gonna do is fuck it. Since this is a lower high, this is a lower high, right? And this is a top, the resistance of this range. I'm just gonna sell the top. And I really feel like it's gonna break through because all this volume it created. Why did I feel like it's gonna break through? Again, feelings don't matter, but you have to use feelings to your best judgment. Why did I feel like this was gonna break through? So much volume was being created here, and this was a down. This was a counter trend to the downside already. So I'm like, okay, 8:30, we're gonna have a big move, and there's a 75% chance of going to the downside. Why is it going to the downside? Because we have all this volume, all this downward force, right? Consolidation, picking up volume, and then dropping off. So why not sell at the fucking top? That's what you're supposed to do in a fucking range. You're supposed to sell at the top, buy at the bottom, close usually here. But I knew that okay, bro, I'm risking 50 points. My stop loss is above this lower high. So if it hit it, this trade was completely shit. My analyzation sucks, right? Or it's just a bad trade. But I'm gonna sell here, risk 50 points, 57 points for 40. No, I'm not letting that happen. No, so I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna risk 57 for 40. So let me just put it down here to this last real, you know, um, resistance here, which is now support on the 15-minute, right? So I'm like, okay, cool. If you guys are still understanding me, basically, I sold this hoe because range, sell the top. Hopefully, come down here and did just that, right? That's a real easy way of thinking it, but I'm breaking it down to you because I feel it is important, right? Lower highs coming down to test this 4 hour because it broke and retested, test this 4 hour, and then this is a higher low. So price going to create a new higher low somewhere here. And once I'm telling you, I'm going to buy here, bro, either here or here, but it can't break this because it's going to break structure. But that's besides the point, right? So I want to buy here. Going back to what this fucking thing is, 108 points, take profit. I hope I did a good job explaining it to you guys. If I didn't, let me know in the fucking comments. Shit. Let me know in the fucking comments, right? Simple as that. But um, the trade is done, right? Cool. The trade is done. On to tomorrow. Simple as that. I won today. It's time to win tomorrow. You feel me? Simple as that. But like I said, lower high. I feel like price. This is a counter trend, so I feel like price is going to come down here to retest the zone. Once it does, we're going to see some bullish variation, some higher highs and higher lows on a smaller time frame, and then we'll take the whole back up to the top side. As simple as that. But as of right now, 108-point TP hit today. Great analyzation and shit. Today is a great day. Tomorrow's a new day, and we gotta do this shit all over again tomorrow. And once we do, we're gonna make more money tomorrow. Simple as that. So yeah, bro. Hope y'all niggas enjoyed that the little breakdown of my trade. I did show you guys my entry, my exit, the profits and all that. Not the profits, but me closing trade and shit. So yeah, y'all niggas be easy. Have a great day. You feel me? Adios. I'm out of this shit.